I see the beaver. Just splashed me. Where are you? Go. Both of them are out. That tree is almost down. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm gonna head out because they're out and I don't want to disturb them. I see videos of people feeding them apples. I gotta figure out how to make that happen for you. Boy, a ton of work done, huh? With all this rain, they added a ton. I couldn't see any of this the other night. My goodness. And they got this tree almost down. Soon. Getting splashed. They want me to leave. Oh my goodness, it's so nice to see the other pond filling up again.